Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix OnlyFans account recovery problems. So go to OnlyFans login page. Click on forgot password to initiate recovery. Enter your email or check for password reset email. Ensure you check your spam folder. If you don't receive an email, visit the OnlyFans support page and submit a request. Next, be prepared to verify your identity with any required info. Next, ensure your email and other contact info are up to date. And if issues persists, contacting OnlyFans support directly can provide additional assistance. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.